For a sweet and refreshing variation on salsa, this pineapple and corn salsa is perfect to serve with your favorite chips, on some fish tacos, or your favorite grilled meats. The trick here is to finely chop your ingredients, so I'm adding some drained pineapple pieces, some corn, some drained black beans from a can, and I'm also going to add some very finely chopped red onion. For a burst of freshness, we've got the chopped cilantro, and then some freshly squeezed lime juice, and a drizzle of extra virgin olive oil. To bring out all the flavors, I'm gonna add in some flaky sea salt, and for the flavor, some smoky paprika. At this point, all you have left to do is to stir all the ingredients very well so that they're all coated in the lime juice and the olive oil. I just couldn't stop eating this amazing smoky and sweet flavored salsa, so please find the recipe at FrenchKissCook.com.